International media recognized the prowess of Russian-made weapons, calling them some of the most epic on the battlefield. This was demonstrated by Sputnik International, which released a list of the top 10 most powerful Russian weapons currently being used directly on the front lines. So, which weapons made the list and should be of concern to NATO? One of the weapons acknowledged by Sputnik International is the Fab 3000 aerial bomb, a devastating device capable of completely obliterating enemy positions. Weighing 3.3 tons, this bomb not only relies on its sheer mass, but also features wings and a satellite guidance system, making it highly precise and lethal. Reports suggest that the Fab 3000 has caused significant destruction at several key locations, including Chasiv Yar, Volchansk, and areas near Kursk. Its effectiveness has even been acknowledged by Igor Sugar, a soldier from Ukraine's 3rd Assault Brigade, who described the impact of the bomb as something truly alarming. Have you heard of the UR-77 Meteorit? This self-propelled mine-clearing vehicle is specifically designed to clear paths through minefields and fortified enemy zones. Imagine the moment the UR-77 prepares to launch a long cable filled with explosives. The cable shoots forward at high speed, laying itself straight across the minefield. Moments later, as it lands, the explosives inside are detonated. The resulting shockwave is powerful enough to trigger a chain reaction, setting off mines all along its path. The effectiveness of the UR-77 has been proven in numerous operations, providing a safe corridor for Russian troops and armored vehicles to advance without the risk of landmines. A truly critical role, wouldn't you agree? Russian tanks like the T-72B3M and T-80 now appear in an unusual form on the battlefield, resembling giant armored turtles. This transformation is not without reason. Amid the increasing threat from above, especially Ukrainian drone attacks, additional protection has become an urgent necessity. To deal with this situation, Russian technicians have started welding extra protective frames directly onto the tank's hulls. These frames cover almost all vital parts, including the turret, the sides, and the top of the tank, giving them a shell-like appearance similar to a turtle's. As a result, in various combat zones, these turtle tanks have shown remarkable resilience, proving the effectiveness of this improvised design. The look may seem laughable, but in warfare, safety remains the top priority. Next up are drone hunting weapons. Russia has long been developing and mass-producing advanced laser weapon systems specifically designed to counter modern threats like unmanned aerial vehicles. One of the most prominent is the Zadira laser weapon, which is built to destroy drones directly. There's also the Peresvet laser system, which serves a different but equally critical function, blinding enemy optical and reconnaissance systems. Sounds futuristic, doesn't it? Even more impressive is that these lasers can destroy drones and even satellites at ranges up to 5 kilometers. Let's move on to one of the most unique combat vehicles in Russia's military arsenal, known by its nickname, the Tank Terminator. Although technically not a main battle tank like the T-90, this vehicle plays an equally important role on the battlefield. The BMPT Terminator is a heavily armored combat vehicle specifically designed to support and protect tanks from various threats. Its main armament consists of dual 30mm cannons, capable of firing long-range fragmentation projectiles, giving the BMPT impressive firepower. Its effectiveness is no longer just a theory on paper. We can see it in action on battlefields like Luhansk and other regions, where the BMPT has consistently demonstrated its accuracy and destructive capability against targets. The battlefield trembles violently, with the sky seemingly bearing witness to the sheer devastation unfolding below. This is the moment one experiences when encountering Russia's TOS-1A thermobaric rocket launcher in action, like a blazing sun unleashing its fury. With every launch, the sky erupts in fire while the ground quakes beneath the thunderous blasts. The TOS-1A is a heavy weapon system that relies on thermobaric rockets capable of producing explosions with extremely high temperatures and pressure. The effects are terrifying. If you've seen the TOS-1A's record on the battlefield, would you still hesitate to consider it in the list? The Uragan MLRS is a truly fearsome Russian weapon, like a roaring, unstoppable storm. With each round fired, it delivers extraordinary destructive force. Once the military team receives the target coordinates, destruction follows within seconds. The BM-27 Uragan system performs flawlessly, launching its 220mm rockets in rapid succession, bombarding targets over 25 kilometers away. In an instant, a once-safe area is reduced to rubble. After the recent devastating strike in Donetsk, where will be the next target? Stay tuned for the next episode. Meet the destroyer of NATO armored vehicles, the Lancet Kamikaze drone. A weapon that has become a haunting presence on the modern battlefield. Footage uploaded across various social media platforms shows the drone's effectiveness in destroying Western-made armored vehicles, from IFV Bradleys to Challenger 2 main battle tanks. Every day, new clips emerge showing the Lancet striking its targets with terrifying precision. How effective could it become if launched from a Kamikaze 8x8 platform, an evolution in modern combat tactics? Next, there's the hypersonic missile Kinzhal, already well known for its power. This missile is often described as a lightning storm, streaking through the sky at incredible speeds and capable of striking strategic targets across Ukraine with terrifying precision. Attempts to intercept it are no easy feat, in fact. Some online sources claim that even advanced defense systems like the American-made Patriot may not be able to match it. Do you agree with this statement? And here is one of the top picks among the deadliest weapons, Oreshnik. It once shocked the world and remains etched in the memories of many to this day. With an astonishing speed reaching Mach 10, Oreshnik is not just a weapon, it is a bold statement that Russia does not take the development of its ballistic power lightly. When launched, it seems to embody the fearsome might of military technology. From the weapons mentioned above, which one is your favorite? Or perhaps you have another choice that's just as astonishing. Leave your thoughts in the comments, and thanks for watching.